There's still a long line of us swinging that song to get that pay. For what it's worth, my back still hurts to this day. It may not suit you, I've done the best I can. Deep down in my blood, I am a chainsaw running. Keep the beer coming. Just a tree cutting man. What the hell y'all listening to, man? Get to work, son.
Hello, I'm Victor, and I had Roger with Tree Life come over and do some tree trimming for me, and I gotta say, they did some outstanding work. I am totally satisfied. The prices were reasonable, and they did very professional work, and I would recommend them to anyone who needs tree work done. I'm going to use them again.